Hello, my name is Gayatri Sanjay Khenar and today's topic is synchronization and demon thread, and that is 14 January 22. So what is an synchronization in Java? Synchronization in Java is a capability to control to access of multiple threads to any shared resources. Uh, Multiple threads try to access the shared resources at a time to produce the inconsistent result. Synchronization is necessary for reliable communication between threads. So why we use synchronization? We need to use synchronization. um, we need to synchronize the shared resources to ensure that at the time only one thread is able to access the shared resources. If an object is shared by multiple threads, then there is a need of synchronization in avoid to to avoid the object states to be getting corrupted. uh, it synchronization is implemented in Java with a concept called monitor. Only one thread can own a monitor at a given time. When thread acquires a lock, it is said to have entered the monitor state. All other threads attempting to enter the lock monitor will be suspended until the first thread exists to the monitor. Synchronization is important in thread because synchronization control the access the multiple thread to be shared. Without synchronization, one thread can modify a shared variable while another thread can update the same shared variable, which lead to significant error. So we need to use synchronization keyword in synchronization in threads, and it can be accessed using synchronized keyword. uh, um, Synchronized class is a thread safe class, and another non-synchronized means that two or more thread can access the method of that particular class at any given time. Vector is vector out of the list is synchronized, means vector are thread safe. Synchronized block, there is synchronized block in thread, that is synchronized block is a marks a method or a block of code as synchronized block in Java and can be only be executed as a single thread at a time, depending upon how we can use it. Java synchronized block can be used to avoid the race condition. uh, Next is a daemon thread. Daemonic thread is a uh, type of particular thread. So what is a thread? Thread is a thread in Java is method to create and perform the operation on thread. Thread can be have two types: user thread and daemon thread. So what we will see about that, what are the user thread and daemon thread. Daemon thread is a low priority thread in context of Java virtual machine that runs in background to perform some tasks such as an uh, garbage collection. What is the use of daemon thread? Daemon thread are used for background supporting tasks and are only needed while normal threads are executing. uh, Daemon thread are daemon thread means they are garbage collector in Java. They having a low priority. and also daemon thread in Java, also service provider thread that provide the service to user threads. Its life depend on user thread. That is, when all user thread die, JVM terminates the thread automatically. In simple word, we can say that it provides the service to user thread for background supporting tasks. Properties of Java daemon threads are they cannot prevent the JVM from existing when all user thread finish their execution. If JVM finds a running daemon thread, it terminates the thread, and after that shut down it, and JVM does not care whether the daemon thread is running or not. It is an utmost low priority thread. Uh, uh, by default, the main thread is always non-daemon thread, but for all remaining threads, daemon nature will be inherit from parent to child. That is, if parent is daemon, the child is also daemon, and if parent is non-daemon, then child also non-daemon. Method of daemon thread are: first one is a void set daemon, that is boolean status. This method mark as the current thread as a daemon thread or user thread. Uh, that have an exception: illegal thread state exception if only this thread is active, and security exception if the current thread cannot modify this state. Mm. Next is uh, daemon was user thread priority. When the only remaining threads in a process are daemon thread, the interpreter exists. This makes sense because when only daemon threads remain, there is no other thread for which daemon thread can provide a service. Uses daemon thread is provide the service to user thread for background supporting tasks. That's all about today's topic, synchronization and daemon thread. Thank you.